Fire, a hot, bright, burning mass of material producing light and heat. Heat, the form of energy that causes things to become warmer. Flame, the visible, gaseous part of a fire. Burn, to be hurt, damaged, or destroyed by fire or heat. Smoke, the gray, brown, or black gas given off by a fire. Firefighter, a person whose job is to put out fires and help in emergencies. Extinguish, to put out or stop a fire or light. Spark, a small fiery particle thrown off from a fire. Safety, the condition of being protected from harm or danger. Danger, the possibility of harm, injury, or something unpleasant happening. Alarm, a loud sound or signal warning of danger or an emergency. Escape, to get away from a dangerous situation. Warm, somewhat hot and comfortable, not cold. Emergency, a sudden, serious, and unexpected situation requiring immediate action. Rescue, to save someone from a dangerous or stressful situation. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. Don't play with fire or you might get hurt. 2. It's cold outside, so turn on the heat in the house. 3. The candle had a small flame that flickered in the wind. 4. Be careful not to touch the stove right after it's been burning. 5. There was smoke coming from the chimney of the house. 6. The firefighter bravely entered the burning building to save people. 7. Use a fire extinguisher to put out the flames quickly. 8. A spark flew out of the campfire and landed on my jacket. 9. Always remember to think about safety when using candles at home. 10. Running into a burning building is very dangerous. 11. The smoke alarm went off, signaling a fire in the building. 12. In case of a fire, we should have a plan to escape safely. 13. The fireplace will keep us warm during the winter months. 14. Call 911 in case of an emergency like a fire or accident. 15. The firefighter heroically carried a child to safety from the burning building.